Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'll show you how to log into public sector superannuation scheme. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Public Sector Superannuation Scheme Login. Once you press enter, you will get these results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll get to this page. On this page, you'll have to click on the login button located at top right. Click on it. Then it will show multiple options. Click on the first option, that is members and pensioners. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll have to enter your username and your password in order to log in. If you are new to CSC, you can click on this register now link to register for a new account. Enter your username on the first box. In case if you don't remember your username, you can click on this link to recover it. After that, enter your password. And you can recheck your password by clicking on this icon. And again, if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I will see you on the next one.